world of pre-war American classics, few cars carry the timeless elegance and custom potential of the 1939 Ford Deluxe Convertible. Originally introduced as a stylish evolution of late 1930s Ford design, the Deluxe featured flowing fenders, a bold front grille, and refined Art Deco-inspired details that made it one of the most recognizable cars of its era. This particular example, however, is far more than a restored antique. It has been transformed into a professionally built hot rod that combines vintage sophistication with modern V8 performance and everyday drivability. Finished in striking hot rod red, the exterior showcases smooth bodywork and a carefully executed custom presentation. The flowing fenders and elongated hood retain the unmistakable 1939 Ford character, while subtle modifications enhance its stance and road presence. The beige convertible soft top complements the bold paintwork, creating an elegant contrast that highlights the car's classic lines. Aftermarket wheels and carefully selected trim details give the vehicle a balanced look, aggressive enough to stand out, yet refined enough to respect its heritage. Previously listed with an asking price of approximately $69,000 and located in Florida, this custom 1939 Ford Deluxe Convertible attracted attention for its blend of show-quality aesthetics and modern mechanical reliability. Its market positioning reflected the extensive build quality, desirable upgrades, and the growing demand for professionally executed pre-war Restomods that can be driven and enjoyed rather than simply displayed. Under the hood lies a 5.7-liter LS1 V8 engine, a modern power plant well known for reliability, smooth performance, and impressive torque delivery. This engine choice dramatically elevates the driving experience compared to the original pre-war setup. Paired with a 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission, the drivetrain provides seamless shifting and relaxed highway cruising while still delivering strong acceleration when called upon. Rear-wheel drive maintains the authentic American performance feel, allowing the car to retain its hot rod spirit. The integration of modern engineering does not overshadow the car's classic identity. Instead, it enhances usability. Electronic fuel injection ensures dependable cold starts and consistent performance across various driving conditions. The upgraded suspension setup improves ride comfort and handling stability, making this convertible suitable for longer cruises and weekend road trips. The exhaust note delivers a deep, satisfying V8 rumble that reinforces its muscular personality without overwhelming the refined exterior styling. Inside, the cabin presents a tasteful fusion of classic charm and modern technology. Fawn beige leather seating creates a comfortable and inviting atmosphere, contrasting beautifully with the vibrant exterior. A Dakota digital gauge system provides accurate and contemporary instrumentation while maintaining a clean dashboard layout. A Sony audio head unit and upgraded speakers offer modern entertainment capability, seamlessly integrated without disrupting the vintage ambience. The custom center console and detailed interior finishes demonstrate careful craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout. Driving this 1939 Ford Deluxe Convertible is an experience rooted in both nostalgia and innovation. With the top down, the open-air feel enhances every mile, while the LS1 engine provides confidence-inspiring power and smooth responsiveness. Steering remains engaging and direct, and the overall ride quality benefits from thoughtful mechanical upgrades that bring pre-war styling into the modern era of drivability. Ultimately, this 1939 Ford Deluxe Convertible represents more than a restored classic. It stands as a refined Restomod that honors history while embracing performance. It offers collectors and enthusiasts the rare opportunity to enjoy iconic 1930s design combined with contemporary reliability and power. Elegant yet assertive, vintage yet modernized, this hot rod convertible captures the enduring spirit of American automotive craftsmanship in a form that is both visually stunning and genuinely rewarding to drive. What makes this 1939 Ford Deluxe Convertible even more compelling is the way it captures the romance of late 1930s motoring while eliminating the compromises typically associated with vehicles of that era. Pre-war cars are often admired for their design, but driven sparingly due to outdated mechanical systems. This build changes that narrative entirely. With its modern LS1 powertrain and automatic transmission, the car becomes approachable, reliable, and far more enjoyable in real-world conditions. Visually, the proportions of the 1939 Ford remain among the most graceful of its time. The rounded fenders, sweeping hood, and prominent grille create a presence that feels substantial without being bulky. When finished in vibrant hot rod red, those flowing curves become even more dramatic, especially under natural sunlight. The beige soft top adds sophistication, offering a refined contrast that enhances the car's upscale appearance. Whether the top is raised or lowered, the silhouette remains elegant and unmistakably classic. From a performance standpoint, the LS1 V8 provides a completely different character compared to the original factory engine. Throttle response is crisp, acceleration is smooth and confident, and highway cruising becomes effortless thanks to the overdrive gearing of the 4L60E transmission. This combination allows the driver to enjoy relaxed touring at lower RPM while still having ample power available at any moment. The upgraded suspension contributes to improved ride comfort and better road manners, ensuring that the car feels composed even at modern traffic speeds. Inside the cabin, comfort and craftsmanship stand out immediately. The fawn beige leather upholstery creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that complements the convertible's open-air personality. The decoded digital gauges provide clear, modern readouts while maintaining a clean and organized dashboard appearance. The addition of a contemporary audio system enhances enjoyment during longer drives, proving that thoughtful upgrades can coexist with vintage aesthetics without diminishing authenticity. Beyond specifications and features, this 1939 Ford Deluxe convertible represents lifestyle appeal. It is the type of vehicle that transforms ordinary drives into memorable experiences. Arriving at a car show, cruising along coastal highways, or simply enjoying a weekend sunset drive becomes an event when behind the wheel of a classic convertible like this. It offers presence without excess and performance without sacrificing elegance. In today's collector market, high-quality pre-war Restomods continue to gain appreciation because they combine historic design with practical drivability. This example fits perfectly within that desirable category. It respects its heritage while confidently stepping into the modern era. For enthusiasts who admire 1930s craftsmanship but want the reliability and power of contemporary engineering, this 1939 Ford Deluxe convertible stands as a beautifully executed bridge between two automotive generations. Beyond its timeless styling, this classic stands as a true testament to the craftsmanship and innovation that defined early American automotive history. Built under the legacy of Ford Motor Company, it represents an era when cars were designed with bold character, flowing curves, and unmistakable road presence. The iconic front fascia, rounded fenders, and elegant chrome accents continue to capture attention wherever it goes. What makes this vehicle even more appealing is the thoughtful balance between originality and drivability. While it retains its authentic vintage charm, key mechanical components have been carefully maintained and upgraded where needed to ensure a smoother, more dependable driving experience. The engine delivers strong, confident performance, complemented by a well-sorted suspension setup that enhances ride comfort without sacrificing its classic feel. Inside, the cabin reflects the spirit of late 1930s design, offering a nostalgic atmosphere with classic gauges, period-correct styling cues, and refined detailing. Every element works together to create an immersive driving experience that transports you back in time, while still providing the reliability expected by modern enthusiasts. This is more than just a collector's car. It's a conversation piece, a weekend cruiser, and a rolling piece of automotive art. Whether showcased at car meets, displayed at shows, or enjoyed on scenic drives, it delivers pride of ownership and undeniable presence. For buyers seeking a distinctive pre-war classic with enduring style and heritage, this example stands ready to impress. Continuing its story, this remarkable pre-war classic offers an ownership experience that goes far beyond simple transportation. Vehicles from this era were built with individuality in mind, and this example proudly carries that tradition forward. Every curve of the steel body, every trim detail, and every mechanical component reflects a time when craftsmanship mattered more than mass production speed. It delivers an authentic connection between driver and machine, something increasingly rare in today's automotive world. Under acceleration, the car feels confident and composed, offering a smooth yet commanding presence on the road. The steering provides a classic feel that reminds you that you're piloting a true piece of history, not just driving a modern replica. The sound of the engine, whether idling or cruising, adds to the immersive experience, producing a tone that perfectly complements its vintage character. It's the kind of vehicle that turns ordinary drives into memorable journeys. From an investment standpoint, pre-war American classics continue to hold strong appeal among collectors. Their limited numbers, historical importance, and distinctive styling contribute to steady demand in the classic car market. This example, with its well-preserved condition and thoughtful updates, offers both enjoyment and long-term value potential. It represents a smart opportunity for enthusiasts who appreciate heritage as much as performance. Visually, the car commands attention without trying too hard. The flowing fenders, bold grille design, and balanced proportions create a silhouette that remains elegant nearly a century later. Park it beside modern vehicles, and it instantly becomes the centerpiece. Its presence sparks conversations, draws admiration, and invites questions about its history and restoration journey. Whether you envision weekend cruises, participation in vintage rallies, or simply adding a distinguished centerpiece to your collection, this classic delivers. It offers authenticity, nostalgia, and pride of ownership in one beautifully crafted package. For the true enthusiast seeking a blend of heritage, mechanical character, and timeless American design, this vehicle stands ready to continue its legacy with a new caretaker behind the wheel.